Today I'm going to be reviewing EDISHINE plug-in wall sconce setup 2. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what they look like. It comes with a remote to control it, and you can also control it from this little button here. So you can adjust it if you have it on and you want to change the intensity. You can hold it down and that's going to change it. Same with here, you just hold it down like that. Same with down here. You can turn them on from the controllers. You can see these are all the controls that you have. You can dim them, you can turn one off, the other, anything like that. It's really easy to install. You'll see right here, there's a little screw right here. Inside is a bracket when you get it. So you unscrew these, take the bracket out, and you put it against the wall. The only thing that was a little weird is it comes in at an angle to be straight up and down instead of like straight up and down, so at an angle. But I didn't do the bottom one, so you could kind of see. You can adjust these any way you want it and then put the final screw in and you get a really cool look. So whatever you want to do, you have options here to make a different look on the wall. It also has a timer. You have lots of controls with this. From either the light, you can see it's getting dim there. I'm doing that from the remote. Or you just hold it up, they're gonna get brighter. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.